I'm sorry that we left for so long, but me and Brody needed guidance. But the depression, cause it's a mindset. We did back, we surprised, yeah. Moonwalk up in the dance and watch the obstacles silent. Left for so long, but me and Brody needed guidance. But the depression, cause it's a mindset. And we just left our throne for more.
So today, we're going to be doing
my makeup.
Yeah, and then we are going to bake. We're going to bake a cake.
Bake a cake. And it's going to be heart shaped.
It's going to be a heart shape.
And the color is going to be pink and blue.
Pink and blue. You heard what she said. So let's get on with the video.
Would you do my eyelashes?
No, I'm not going to do eyelashes. That's too much. That's too much.
Please.
You see these kids.
Please.
Alright, even this is enough. So I'm just using a makeup that I wouldn't
I have a
normally.
snail on my cheek.
So I'm not a perfectionist, guys, so I barely know how to do my own. Dada, you gotta relax your face, honey.
No.
Relax your face. It's fine. Just you keep squinching up your face. Naila.
I nearly sneezed then.
Oh, is it the brush?
My nose tickles.
Dada, relax your face. Look at. You can't really tell that you got makeup on. What? What's wrong? Look in the mirror. At your lips.
I look beautiful just like you.
Always, honey. Always. Come and look at. Alright, calm down. You look too odd. You looking a little bit too hard. Oh, wrong one.
I can smell it.
You can smell that one.
Yeah.
How does it smell?
It smells like perfume. And beautiful pink flowers.
Let's do it more. Look at it now. Do you like it?
Perfect.
Perfect.
Remember those little went to this the spray store where I had lots of spray thing and I sprayed it all over me.
What spray thing? Oh yeah. Close your mouth. You never did so funny.
It's tickled. It's tickling my nose right now.
Alright. Julia. I think she is done. She don't need no eyebrow business because she is not a big woman.
What about the eyebrows?
Not the eyebrows, baby. That's too grown. I mean, the makeup is bad enough. The eyebrows?
You said I'll be doing it. Remember?
Yeah, you can. I'm just moving it.
Okay, girl.
What color was you going to do?
I'm going to do this by myself, guys. My session, guys. Look, guys, look.
You're so funny. How do you look?
Let's do our model faces together.
Alright. Wait. Okay. And now it's back to bed. Okay. So she's got everything written down already.
I got my list and I got my
Yeah. So she's making a sponge cake. We've written down everything that she needs for it.
There's some at the back too.
So we've got everything that we need. Scales. We have our mixer. We have all our equipment.
We got a spoon and we got the thing what makes it go round.
Yeah. So we are ready. Okay. I'm gonna get something that's gonna be.
Aren't you guys excited for me to bake? Because I've never baked before, but it's my...
All of that is plugged in. If it starts to die, we'll just. No, so then butter and line the base of 2 cake tins with baking parchment paper.
The bacon parchment paper.
So we're gonna have to get butter for you, right?
Yeah. Clover.
So we're gonna use this butter. I'm gonna get you.
My hand's working.
Use your other hand. Use your other hand if your hands get tired.
I can't. I have to wait until it stops.
Ready again?
Uh-huh.
Or you can use both hands. Oh yeah. And then you're gonna mix until that egg is mixed inside.
With this thing.
No, not with that, with the beater again.
Oh.
Yeah? Ready to crack?
Yes.
Use the table, use the table. There we go. And then, don't get no shells inside. Do you want to put it back on there?
Yeek.
Now, you're gonna mix. Do you want to wash your hands?
Yes.
Now mix. You know what, like how hard it is you put it in? It's not hard, but it's not watery.
It smells like charity.
Let me see. The way it's
Maybe make
Alright,
it.
you're gonna put them in this. How high the way? So they're both even, isn't it? You're gonna put them in this. So try to do what, like just underneath. Okay. Go. Scrape it off.
Do I spread it all around?
You wanna get it even. What you'll do, you'll level it. So proud of you. You done so well today. Bit late for that. All you do is just slide it in, baby, on the second one. She's scared.
I don't want to do it. You do it.
Scaredy cat.
I haven't done it.
It's not even hard, mama. You just put it in. Look. In. That's it.
You
It wasn't that hard. I'm going to do both. Because you're a big baby.
I only want to put it in when the oven's not on. Hi guys, so our battery died. Well, we just made the cake as you guys can see here. We did the pink frosting everywhere. And we put the cakes on top of each other. I hope you like it.
Bye.
Bye.